Ever wondered why digital marketing seems like a steep uphill climb for small businesses? It's like trying to navigate a ship through a storm without a compass. Small businesses often grapple with a myriad of challenges that make the digital marketing landscape appear daunting. First off, there's the issue of limited budget. Trying to compete with bigger companies that have deeper pockets can feel like a David versus Goliath battle. Then there's the technical side of things. Digital marketing is a complex field, requiring skills in everything from search engine optimization to data analysis. For a small business owner wearing multiple hats, acquiring these skills can be a tall order. And let's not forget about the struggle to reach the target audience. In the vast digital sea, finding your ideal customer and making your voice heard can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Understanding these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. But what's next? Now it's time to unravel the mystery and present some proven digital marketing tactics that can help your small business grow. We've got a list of 7 power-packed strategies lined up for you. First, we have social media marketing, a modern-day powerhouse that can help you connect and engage with your audience like never before. Next up, we have content marketing. This tactic is all about delivering valuable, relevant, and consistent content to your target audience. Following this, we have email marketing, a classic yet highly effective method to reach out and maintain a connection with your customers. Then we have SEO, or search engine optimization, which is all about improving your website's visibility on search engines. Following SEO, we have pay-per-click advertising, a strategy that allows you to reach your audience quickly and effectively. Lastly, we have affiliate marketing and influencer marketing, 2 powerful strategies that leverage partnerships to boost your brand visibility and sales. Get ready as we dive deeper into each tactic and see how they can help your business. The first tactic we're exploring is social media marketing. Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with potential customers, and you have the perfect platform to share your business story. That's what social media marketing essentially is. It's the art of promoting your products or services on platforms where your target audience is already spending their time. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter to LinkedIn, each platform offers unique ways to connect with different demographics. A well-crafted Facebook post could reach families. A visually appealing Instagram story might attract the younger crowd, and a professional LinkedIn article could resonate with business-minded individuals. By creating engaging content and sharing it on these platforms, you're not just selling your products or services. You're building relationships, sparking conversations, and establishing a community around your brand. Remember, people don't buy from businesses, they buy from people. Social media marketing, when done right, can significantly boost your business visibility and customer engagement. Moving on, our second tactic is content marketing. This is a strategic approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It's not just about bombarding your audience with information. It's about providing them with content that they find engaging, useful, and worth sharing. Content marketing is a powerhouse when it comes to building brand authority. By providing content that's both informative and engaging, you position your brand as an expert in the field. This not only builds trust with your audience, but also fosters a positive brand reputation. But there's more to content marketing than just building brand authority. It's also a key player in improving your search engine optimization, or SEO. High-quality, keyword-rich content can help your website rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Remember, content is king, and it can be your ticket to digital marketing success. Last but not least, let's talk about email marketing. This digital marketing tactic might seem old school to some, but it's far from outdated. Email marketing continues to be a powerful tool for nurturing leads and retaining customers. It's like having a direct line of communication to your customer's inbox. When done right, email marketing can yield significant returns on investment. It's all about delivering value, not just promotions. You see, people don't just want to be sold to. They want to be informed, entertained, and engaged. So consider employing a mix of informative newsletters, exciting product updates, and exclusive offers in your email campaigns. And remember, personalization is key. Tailor your emails to suit the needs and preferences of each recipient. This can be as simple as addressing them by name or as complex as recommending products based on their browsing history. With a strategic email marketing plan, you can maintain a strong connection with your customers and drive repeated sales. Scene script. Let's rewind and reflect on what we've discussed today. We began our journey by acknowledging the digital marketing challenges faced by small businesses. We then unveiled a list of proven tactics to overcome these hurdles and propel your business to new heights. First on the list was social media marketing, a powerful tool that allows businesses to connect and engage with their audience on a personal level. By leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you can't only promote your products and services, but also build a community around your brand. This tactic is particularly effective for businesses that thrive on customer interaction and engagement. Next, we delved into content marketing. This strategy revolves around creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Whether you run a tech startup or a local bakery, content marketing can help you establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry and drive profitable customer action. Our final tactic was email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains one of the most effective digital marketing tools. By creating personalized email campaigns, you can nurture your leads, boost your sales, and build long-term relationships with your customers. This tactic is particularly useful for businesses that operate on a B2B model, but can also be adapted for B2C businesses. Remember, these tactics are not set in stone. They can be tweaked, mixed, and matched to suit your unique business model and context. For instance, a fashion boutique might focus more on social media marketing, while a consulting firm might prioritize content marketing. It's all about understanding your business, your audience, and your goals. Remember, digital marketing is not just about selling. It's about building relationships, understanding your audience, and delivering value. So gear up and let these tactics skyrocket your small business to new heights.